Welcome back to another Prime Slider tutorial. Today, we're diving into the WooCircle Widget, a sleek and interactive product display tool for WooCommerce. This widget enhances your online store by presenting products in a unique circular layout, making them visually appealing and engaging. Designed to improve user experience, WooCircle is perfect for homepages, featured product sections, and promotional banners, helping boost engagement and conversions. Excited to see it in action? Let's get started. To begin using the WooCircle widget, first, type WooCircle into the search bar located on the left side of your Elementor editor. Once you see the corresponding widget appear, simply drag and drop it into your editor. As soon as you insert it, you will be presented with its default layout, displaying how it initially appears before customization. Now, let's explore the available settings under the Content tab. The first section you will encounter is the Layout section. Here, you can adjust the height of the layout to best fit your design needs. Directly below, you will find the Alignment option, allowing you to position elements as desired. Moving further down, you will come across the Image Resolution setting, where you can control the quality of the displayed images. Additionally, there are toggle switches for displaying or hiding various elements, including the title, text, price, and Add to Cart button. By enabling or disabling these options, you can tailor the widget's appearance according to your preference. The next section in the Content tab is the Query section, which provides options to define the source of the displayed products. You can choose from different source types, including product, manual selection, current query, and related. Depending on your selection, the widget will display relevant posts or products. Below this, you will find the Product Limit option, which allows you to set a specific number of products to be shown. Further down, there are two sub-tabs, Include and Exclude. The Include sub-tab enables you to filter and display only selected products or posts. You will also notice three toggle switches, which allow you to show or hide free products, out-of-stock products, and featured image posts. On the other hand, the Exclude sub-tab works oppositely, letting you hide specific posts or products. Similar toggle switches are available in this section as well, allowing you to refine the display of your content further. Now that we have covered the basic customization options, let's move on to the Style tab, which provides extensive styling features to enhance the appearance of the WooCircle widget. The first section under this tab is the Slider section, which consists of 4 sub-tabs: Item, Title, Price, and Open. Before we proceed with styling, let's first improve visibility by changing the background color. To do this, navigate to the Advanced tab, scroll down until you find the Background section, and modify the background color to your preference. Once the background is set, return to the Style tab to continue customizing the widget. Under the Item sub-tab, you can change the circle color to match your design aesthetic. Moving on to the Title sub-tab, you will find options to modify the text color, apply text stroke and shadow effects, and adjust typography settings. The typography settings include options for selecting a font family, adjusting font size, setting font weight, transforming text styles, adding text decorations, modifying line height, and tweaking letter and word spacing. Next is the Price sub-tab, where you will find customization options for both the old price and sale price. In the Old Price section, you can adjust the color, margin, and typography settings. Similarly, in the Sale Price section, you have control over the color, background color, and margin. Below these options, you will also find additional typography settings to refine the font properties, such as font family, size, weight, transformation, style, decoration, line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. Lastly, you can adjust the spacing for the sale price to ensure optimal presentation. Let's move on to the Open sub-tab. This section is specifically designed for the plus icon inside the circular shape. The first option allows you to modify the color of the plus icon to match your preferred aesthetic. Next, you have the ability to customize the background color of the plus icon, ensuring it blends seamlessly with your website's design. Further customization options include setting the border type, adjusting the border radius to create rounded or sharp edges, and modifying the padding and margin for perfect spacing. Additionally, you can enhance the visual appeal by applying a box shadow effect. For typography enthusiasts, you have full control over the font style, size, and other text-related attributes. Finally, you can define distinct color and background color settings for when users hover over the plus icon. If desired, you can also apply an image as a background for added depth and uniqueness. Now, let's explore the modal section. The modal is the pop-up area where detailed product information, such as the title, short description, price, and add to cart button, is displayed after clicking on the plus icon. Within this section, you first have the option to customize the background color and text color to match your theme. You can also set a maximum width for the modal content, ensuring it aligns well with your page layout. Within the modal settings, you will find 4 key subtabs: Title, Price, Text, and Close. The Title subtab provides options to modify the text color, apply a text stroke for an outlined effect, add a text shadow for emphasis, and customize the typography settings such as font style, weight, and spacing. Additionally, you can adjust the margin to control the spacing around the title. Moving on to the Price subtab, this section allows you to modify the appearance of both the regular price and the sale price. For the regular price, you can change the color, adjust the margin, and tweak the typography settings. When it comes to the sale price, you can customize its color separately, ensuring a clear distinction. Furthermore, you have options to modify the background, adjust the margin, and fine-tune the typography and spacing for better readability and design consistency. Next is the Text subtab, where you can personalize the product description and any additional text inside the model. Here, you can modify the color, adjust the typography settings, and set the margin for proper alignment and spacing. Now, let's take a look at the Close subtab. This section is dedicated to styling the close icon within the model. You can change the icon's color and background color, allowing you to create a visually appealing and easily recognizable close button. Further customization includes selecting the border type, adjusting the border radius, modifying the padding and margin, and applying a box shadow effect for added depth. You can also define distinct color, background color, and border color settings for the hover state, enhancing user interactivity. Below the modal settings, you will find the Add to Cart button section, which contains 3 subtabs: Normal, Hover, and Quantity. The Normal subtab provides options to customize the color, background, border type, border radius, padding, margin, box shadow, and typography, allowing you to design a button that aligns perfectly with your branding. In the Hover subtab, you can define unique color and background color settings for when users hover over the button, creating an engaging and responsive experience. The Quantity subtab allows you to modify the quantity selection settings. Here, you can customize the color and background to ensure the quantity selector blends well with the rest of your design. Additional options include adjusting the border type, setting the border radius, modifying the padding for proper spacing, applying a box shadow for depth, and fine-tuning the typography settings to match your preferred font style. Finally, we have the Navigation section. This section controls the navigation bar that appears within the WooCircle widget. The first option lets you change the color of the navigation bar, ensuring it integrates seamlessly with your design. You can also define a unique hover color for the navigation bar to create a more dynamic user experience. At the bottom of the settings panel, you will find an option to adjust the size of the navigation, allowing you to scale it appropriately for optimal usability and design harmony. That's it! Once you've fine-tuned your product display and perfected the design, simply hit the Save button and preview your work. That's how the WooCircle widget helps you create dynamic, eye-catching product showcases with ease. With smooth animations, responsive controls, and a unique circular layout, you can present your products in a way that grabs attention and enhances your store's design and user experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow designers, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next video.